So, can an AI actually beat the stock market? Let's dive into finance's biggest challenge.
You know, for decades, this has been the holy grail for traders, and it's just so incredibly hard to do.
But now, the same AI that's behind stuff like ChatGPT is jumping into the ring. It's a whole new ballgame. So how does a language model even trade stocks? It's not like you can just ask it to buy something. We're going to look at 3 different ways this is happening, from a simple tool to a full-on autonomous trader. Okay, first up, the LLM as an analyst. It's perfect for figuring out market sentiment, the overall mood.
So it scans news and social media, gets the vibe of the market, and then creates a trading signal. But does adding this AI sentiment analysis really make a difference compared to the old-school ways?
Well, the impact on the Sharpe ratio is huge. That's your risk-adjusted return. And higher is way, way better.
The results? Pretty dramatic. For Tesla, that ratio shot up 10 times. That's a massive edge from the AI.
Okay, so analyzing sentiment is cool, but what if it could actually forecast? Let's level up.
Here, the LLM reads the news, predicts the market's direction, and then hands that prediction off to another AI.
So you get this awesome combo. The LLM gets the news, and a number crunching model makes the final stock price call.
And would you look at that? The LLM-powered model had the lowest error rate. I mean, way more accurate.
The key takeaway here? The LLM's insight made the final prediction just so much better.
Okay, so analyst, forecaster, check. But what happens when the LLM becomes the trader itself?
To figure that out, researchers built a whole simulated market. Think of it like AI traders competing.
And they gave each AI its own personality. One was a value investor, another a momentum trader. You get the idea.
Basically, a set of instructions or prompts defined its whole strategy. Then, they just let them loose. And here's the wild part. The AI-only market started acting just like a real human market.
They even created their own speculative bubbles. That means they can copy our most irrational human behaviors.
All right, so let's quickly recap the 3 roles we've seen. Each one is a major leap in what they can do.
So we've seen the LLM go from just giving us data to predicting trends to actually making the trades.
This whole journey from a simple tool to a full-on market player is totally changing finance as we know it.
Which leaves us with a pretty massive question. Who or what is actually going to be driving the market?